Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Apptivo CRM for contact and deal history, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Apptivo CRM. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Look for the Login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Login button to access the login page. You will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address into the email field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. Double-check both entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Sign In button below the password field. Wait for the system to process your login credentials. After a few seconds, you should be redirected to your dashboard. To access contact and deal history, look for the Contacts tab on the left sidebar. Click on Contacts to view your list of contacts. For details on a specific contact, click on their name. This will open their contact profile, where you can see interaction history. To access deal history, locate the Deals tab in the sidebar. Click on Deals to view your current and past deals. Select any deal to check its details and communication history. Remember to log out when you're finished for security reasons. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Log Out from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged in and accessed your contact and deal history in Apptivo CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.